Why not? Well, sure, why not? Alrighty. Oh, we go now. Don't close, don't close. Fuck, it's closing. No. That's right. Go back up. Missed that door. This is Rhiannon, by the way. I haven't actually introduced my bike. Oh. This is Rhiannon. She's a 2009 a Yamaha R6. Red and white. Did want the black and gold, but there weren't really any on the market when I was buying a bike, so. And all the black and blue ones, people were asking for like 10 grand and it had like 20,000 Ks, you know, that's fucked. Who the hell asks for that kind of money? Picked this one up pretty good. 8.5 grand, had like 8,000 Ks. So, pretty good. Oh, don't you do it. You did it. You cut him off, you asshole. Anyway, I'm really a new rider. I mean, I've been riding nearly 2 years. 2 years. No, sorry. I've been driving for nearly 2 years. I've been riding for a year now. Had my bike license for a year. Did my REs, which is like a restricted bike license, for 1 year, and then I did my Rs, unrestricted. Why do I hear something really loud? No, it's you. Okay. Yeah, I did my unrestricted test, got that, and bought this. I started on I started on 2 bikes really. I learned on 2 bikes. So my first bike was a 1993 Kawasaki ZX2R, ZXR 250 or whatever, yeah? That, hang on. It was that little 4-cylinder 250, you know? But it had like the Tiger body kit, it pretty much had like race fairings on it, but it was road legal, so you know, it looked sick as hell, but I had to sell that because I mean, it was a 1993 bike, man. It was 20 years old. And me being a new rider, I didn't have the knowledge to maintain something that old, you know. I barely I washed it I think once in the 6 months I had it. So bad. Anyway, I got rid of that, and like a month later I bought a Ninja 300 and I finished my REs on that, and I sold that as soon as I was done. Yeah, Ninja 300 was a good. I had the 2014 white special edition, non-ABS. It was a good bike, you know. It was a good learner bike. Everyone just knows they're the perfect learner bike, you know. I would have loved to have an R3, but unfortunately they were released when I had finished doing my license, my restricted license. So I wasn't going to buy an R3, you know. I wanted a fucking R6. Fuck the R3 when I could buy an R6, you know. But no, yeah, I don't regret buying the 300, and I don't regret not buying an R3. So, but if I had to do my restricted license again, I'd definitely buy an R3. This thing's a beast. I haven't actually ridden one, but I'd like to see what it was like. Bit of my bike history. But yeah, once again, I'm a really new rider, you know, 1.5 years I've been riding, so I can't say I'm experienced in any way. I haven't had any accidents so far, which is good, you know, cross fingers that none come around anytime soon, that is. I did just buy this bike. I'd hate to get in a freaking accident, lose all my money. Oh man, I really just want to go through that gap because this guy's fucking going slow as hell. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's 100 and you're going 78. You slow individual. You ass. Hey, what are you doing? Get in your lane, buddy. So, for those of you who don't know, I'm in Brisbane, Australia. Queensland, the Sunshine State, as you can see. Brisbane! How you going? Not bad, huh? Not bad. Ooh. Anyway, I'm going to Indooroopilly Shopping Centre because it's one of the few shopping centres nowadays where I don't need a ticket for parking, and if I go over a limit, I don't have to pay. Technically that means there's no limit for parking. That's what I meant. Tuwang Indooroopilly. A lot of other riders around this place too. Maybe I see some. Hey, look, more riders. Hey, what the? Why are they in suits? What? Oh, they're all cafe style. They're wearing suits. Is that like a classy gentleman act or something? What's going on? Why are you all wearing suits? Or fancy clothes? What the heck? They're all wearing suits and shit. Alright. Is that a trend? Must be like a cafe style. All their bikes are like cafe races and shit. Or like vintage stuff. So... it's my school! Right there! Look at this! What's with the suits, man? What's with the suits? You guys gotta tell me! I don't know if you guys can see, but they're all wearing suits! I don't know what's going on! Jesus Christ! Holy crap! They just keep coming! Coming! Where are you coming from? Tell me! Did I miss something? There's a lot of people. Jesus Christ. Yay, another sport bike rider. Ooh, I like this corner. This corner fun. Take it in second, I think. Hell yeah, Dragon Knee, bro. Dragon Knee. This is why you buy a bike, because you can just park right here and not give a fuck. Well, that was a good lunch. I had a burger. It was an alright burger. Nothing special. It didn't make my mouth moist or anything, but it did get the job done. I'm full. Look at that paid parking machine getting ready. Jeez. Until Tuesday, 6th of October. Yeah, excuse me, bruh. That would be great. Fuck you, bro. Thing doesn't fucking open for me. Wow. I go to the shop for 20 minutes and it's about to fucking rain. Oh, I felt raindrop. Oh no! No, don't do it, rain! Don't do it! If you could please not do that, Mr. Rain Cloud, I would be very appreciative and grateful. Stop dropping water on me! No! 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 Fuck! Now it's fucking dripping. Oh, I'm gonna get wet. I'm gonna get so wet. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh gosh, I'm getting so wet. Oh, stop! No! Hey, those guys in the suits are coming back. Oh, it's green. And it's yellow, and it's starting to rain harder. So gay. So gay. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez, I'm getting really wet. My socks are so wet. Anyway, I'll probably end this vlog here. Those of you watching, thank you for watching my first motovlog. Too bad it had to end wet, but that's how I like to leave my bitches. So, until next time, peace out. I'll have to find out a closing line or something. I'll have to make one. Something fancy. I'm getting so wet right now.